This is definitely serving like wrap vibes without doing the wrap. This is a perfect everyday natural wig. It's not too thick, it's not too heavy. The density is just right for this hot weather, because that heat wave that be coming in daily be sweating the glue off y'all forehead. So let's just let's stick to glueless. Glueless is where it's at. Well, hey, it's your girl Kai Rashawn. Today's video is brought to you by Nadula Hair. They sent me another unit to try for you guys. This is a very affordable yak pre-cut, pre-plucked, glueless wig install. Listen, if you don't do anything else today, get your change purse. So if you want to see how I got this unit from A to Slay quickly, make sure you stay tuned for that. Let's go. So like I said, this unit comes to us from Nadula Hair. All the specs of my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. This is going to be a very easy, breezy, affordable, not going to break the pockets, hang up on daddy papa type of install, because this wig right here, I think it's about $100. I ain't mad at it. This is another pre-cut, pre-plucked joint. I'm pretty sure this is the first time I've done the Yaki texture from Nadula. I normally kind of shy away from the bobs from them just because, you know, they're kind of iffy. Okay, I like the curly textures from the fast fashion brands. I am pleasantly surprised on how this hair is feeling. A fast fashion brand with some high quality hair, who would have thunk it? It's like 150% density, so you know, for the natural girlies who want a very sleek look without a whole bunch of texture around their face, this one is for you. Especially because it's hot outside. Listen, less hair I got on my head, the better. Let me go ahead and tint the lace because it's very ashy on my head. So I'm taking my 360 mocha powder and my brush. I got it real quick today. As always, you use whatever you want to use to blend your lace in. I like to use my makeup just because it's less mess, and that's it. I don't have nothing else. My wig did come with the elastic band and the nape grip in the back, so it should fit pretty comfortable on your head. Here we go. Here we go. Ooh, wait a minute. Get your hands off me. The cap is fitting pretty comfortable. I feel like it would be a lot looser if my hair was flat under my wig. If your head is bigger than 23 inches, this one may be tight for you, especially if you wear the elastic bands. Y'all see how this is? Look at this. Okay, this is giving a very like pop out the bed, put the wig on your head. That's what I am giving. I'm here for that. Okay, I'm here for that. You can see the track right here on the side. So if you want to do like an up style, you can definitely do that, but you got to be careful with how you pull the hair back. I'm going to pull mine's back like this. I'm not going to use a bow today. I'm going to use my little twist over. Then I'm going to use my bobby pin it down. Let me do both sides just to even it out. Ooh, it's giving 90s. Yes, I am over the natural hair. I got a perm. Thank you. Y'all, this look good, right? Hold on, I got a little ashiness right up in there. Lace don't fam me now. I got the natural healthy inches today. I sure do. Look at this. Look. Okay, it ain't too thick, it's not too thick, it's not too full. That's all I got for y'all today. Shout out one more time to Nadula Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and the coupon codes for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye. Nadula.